What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Baba has been stuck inside this red range basically since early to mid-December of last year. We did have a failed breakout right over here on the bottom, but price came back inside this red range. So we're finding a resistance at the top at the $77, $78 level. It's a triple top currently, and we're finding strong support at the $70 level. So price is within this 7 to 8 point range for the past several months now. So we do have a upward bias because we have this bullish trend line in play. This one right over here, you see that price is making higher lows and bouncing off of it. And there is a mesh move target in play. This is the first leg up right over here, and this is the second leg up. So the bulls are attempting to reach the $81 level. Again, attempts don't guarantee they will reach it, but again, we'll probably see another push up towards that level because we saw one push up right over here, a pull back to the trend line, staying above the EMA, and we'll probably see another retest of the $77, $78 level. So that's the most likely situation, is that we do see a bounce off this trend line and another push up higher towards the high 70s, possibly even a breakout towards the low 80s. Now, again, if this trend line fails, that's basically the only thing stopping from price going down lower towards the bottom side of the red range at the $70 level. So again, as of right now, it's bullish just a little bit. There's a bullish imbalance currently in play. So we could see another push up higher. But there, you got to always keep that other possibility in the back of your mind that we could see that breakdown lower. So anyway, this is not the greatest area to be expecting price to continue higher. It's not that strong. It's not like we're at the lower side of the range, like back over here. But either way, this is still a support level, and we could get a bounce off of it to retest the high 70s, low 80s. So that's how I'm looking at Baba as of right now. Looks like we can still see some short-term movement to the upside. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. And overall, it's still in a bear market. You can see that has been going down for quite a long time now. In the more near term, since January of last year, you can see that price has formed this downward trend line, and we're like very close to that. We're below the EMA. This week has been a pretty bearish week. You see that red bar right here. But that doesn't mean much because you can see there was a massive red bar over here, and then we've had two following green weeks after. So again, just because this week was not that bullish doesn't mean it's the end. But like I said before, if we do see a breakdown of this trend line, it's probably going to be pushing down towards that $70 level because there's not a lot of support left until that low $70 level. So again, Baba not in the greatest place, but short term it looks like we could see another pop up higher. But overall, it's still most likely going to continue to trend down lower until we get back inside this yellow range and a break of that downward trend line. So we need to see price break this trend line right over here, this downward trend line, get back in this yellow range, and then most likely we'll see higher prices from there in the longer term. Something like that would be the bullish case. So either we see a large push up and a pullback, or we just see a push up finding support, and a rally. But either way, that's the first step to see a confirmed uptrend. Until then, these are just pullbacks in downtrends. Like over here, we had a pullback in a downtrend, pullback in a downtrend, pullback in a downtrend, and this could just be a pullback in a downtrend for the downside because we do have still measure move targets in play towards the mid to low 50s. So again, it doesn't have to get there, but we're not really seeing a strong push up either. So again, this is still in play towards the downside. So again, it looks like price is just coming right back down to those all-time lows that price did retest in October of 2022. So again, that's all I have for Bob on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.